A very happy morning to my cute little children. So kids, in the last class we were studying about communicable diseases. And what is communicable disease? The disease that spreads from one person to the another is called communicable diseases. Here it is, the diseases that spread from one person to another. That spread from one person to another are communicable diseases. But kids, have you ever thought that how do these diseases spread? कैसे ये disease एक person से दूसरे person में आ जाती है? How? Children, we will study that in this class. Spread of communicable diseases. This is our today's topic. Germs travel. Read with me. Okay, open your textbook and read with me. Germs travel from a sick person to a healthy person and cause diseases. Germs travel from a sick person. Germs is present in a sick person, that is why he is sick, right? उसमें germs है तभी तो वो sick है. तो germs, it will travel from a sick person to a healthy person and it will cause disease. Okay, and it can spread in many ways. It can spread through air, it can spread through water, it can spread through infected food, it can spread through insects, it can spread through it can spread through contact, so it can spread through many ways, and that is what we are going to study today, the various means by which the diseases spread. So our first one is through air. When a sick person coughs, sneezes or spits, germs are released into the air. When a sick person coughs यानी कि खांसना, it sneezes means to छींकना, and spits means when we release our saliva in the atmosphere, in the road, that means spits. So what happens when we sneeze, children? Suppose I am infected, okay, I am sick, and if I am sneezing, what is happening? The saliva which is present in my mouth, small droplets of the saliva will come in the atmosphere, okay, it will go in the atmosphere, it will go in the air. So what is happening, kids? The air is getting polluted. ठीक है, मैंने छींका, क्या हुआ? जो मेरे सलाइवा के ड्रॉपलेट्स थे वो एयर में आ गए. अब एयर जो है वो पॉल्यूटेड हो गई ना, ओके, इट गॉट कंटैमिनेटेड. अब सपोज यहाँ पे कोई हेल्दी पर्सन खड़ा है, ओके, इफ अ हेल्दी पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग हियर, व्हाट विल हैपन? Those germs which are present in the air will go inside the healthy person and that person will also be sick. This is how diseases spread through air. When a healthy person breathes this air, the germs enter her body and makes her sick. Okay kids? By this way, diseases spread. Examples are common cold, diphtheria, flu, whooping cough, tuberculosis, etc. Very important to note down here. Regular hand washing and keeping away from the infected person can prevent common cold. You should wash your hands properly. And how you will wash your hand? Not like this. 1 minute में जल्दी हाथ धो दिया. No. There is a proper way to wash your hands. See, There are total 5 steps to wash your hand. First, you should do like this. Okay, like this. This is the first step. Second step is this. Okay, then like this. So that here there are germs here. So they also get out like this. Then thumb, it remains isolated. So we should wash the thumb also like this. Then wrist also we should wash. ये हमें ऐसे हाथ धोने हैं, इससे सारे germs चले जाएंगे. And now in this challenging time, kids, whenever you go out, as soon as you reach the home, you should wash hands like this. Okay? And the most important thing, keeping away from the infected person. That is why the patients of corona are kept in quarantine. We should stay away from the infected person. This is how we can protect ourselves. Second one is through infected food and water. This topic we will take in our next class. For today this was it, children. Study well, protect yourself, eat healthy food, play a lot. May God bless you.